Hi guys, welcome to the second lecture of Module 16 of Revit Architecture. In this module, we'll be talking about detailed components. So last time we saw how to add detailed view. So similarly, we'll be seeing how to add detailed components here. So first, we'll go on the section view here. So we have the section, and then let's create a callout. So to create a callout, we need to go on view and then callout here. We have two options. We'll go on rectangle only, and then we create a callout here. This callout has created that, and now you can see this region here. So we can change the size of this callout. So now to create the detailed view here, so we need to go on annotate, and then we get components here. So we need to create detailed components. Yeah. So we have a few here, properties elements here, like brick here and some flanges here. So we can use that if we want. So like we have here one flange section here. If you want, you can place this flange section here like this. So this is just or whatever changes has been made is only here in this view, callout one. So this will not be applied to the whole project. So like if you go on this and then this callout, then you can see this plan section here. So if you want, you can add more anything else. Like we don't have much option here, so you can just load family, go on load family, and then and then go on detail items, and then you have a lot of options here. We have break line here. Let's load break line. So here is break line, and I need to press spacebar. So now you can see this this break line option here. This is very useful if you have a big project. You can do this. You can use break line option, and then if you want to make some other from scratch, then what you can do is go on family here, click on new, and then family to create a new family, and then this templates are here. So you need to select the metric detail item option here, and then click on OK here. Yeah, so this window pops up here, so you can draw whatever beam, column section, or any other section you want. You can draw it here, or you can go to modify. You need to go on line and then select the line and just draw the column or the section you want, and then just load into the project. I load into the project here. So I just remove this, so I don't want that. For now I don't need this. You can change the line property also here. You can load into this project, make sure you save it, and then whatever changes you have been made, so you'll get that here, and then you can place it according like this. You'll get an break line option like this, or the column option which you have made. So that is how you place the detail component.